5 creative strategies for using LinkedIn to generate leads. LinkedIn continues to be an excellent resource for professionals looking to connect online. However, you don't have to continue to use LinkedIn in the usual way. It can also be used to generate new leads. When you can get a little creative with this site, you can open a new set of opportunities for your business. Here are 5 creative ways to gain more interest and generate more leads. Cold Connect. The most common and straightforward method for using LinkedIn for generating leads is to connect with people through the search function. The search function allows you to search for people who are most likely to be your customers. Even though cold connecting is a lot like cold calling and will have a low conversion rate, it is still a useful tactic that can be profitable when scaled. Warm Connect. The ideal way to connect with potential customers on LinkedIn is through an introduction. These warm contacts will be more likely to convert because they were recommended or introduced by someone they trust. You can reach out to a mutual connection and ask for an introduction. Reconnect. Just as big as the previous 2 suggestions, tending to your existing connections can be extremely beneficial for generating more leads. Let your contacts know that you're rooting for them or that you're available to chat. By being open, you can effectively drive awareness to what it is that you are doing. If they aren't direct prospects, they still might be great referral partners. Participate in discussion groups. Along with connecting directly with people, you should also consider participating in workgroup discussions to get your name out there. People tend to click on the names of those who are engaging in the conversations to find out more about them. This can provide you with the opportunity to spread brand awareness. Post updates and share content. You can attract the most attention and acquire more leads by going viral on the platform. Individual posts on LinkedIn can go viral, just like Facebook and Twitter, and those whose posts get shared often will experience a massive surge in the number of leads that are generated. Make sure to post content directly on the platform, rather than linking to other sites to increase your chances of being seen. Finding ways to create healthy habits for marketing yourself on LinkedIn and making your company more approachable and less formal will help you utilize the social platform to generate more leads for your business.